Hello guys, today is our lesson about several features of circuits. Circuits, like we all know, is a part of targets to design of circuits. We will discuss today about a segment of circuits uh, is targeting as uh, voltage of the segment. To beginning, we will considering this circuit is in the left top corner, left top angle of our picture. We here can see the circuit with which exists from three uh, branches, is a branched circuit. It's important. This circuit contains three branches and two knots and three branches. Uh, First branch exists from electromotive source. This is this is round, this is a ring with arrow in the middle, and two resistances is a branch of circuit, and uh, two corners. uh, Circuits will be uh, unbranched and branched. Unbranched circuit exists from one contour uh, without branches. This circuit exists from contours, two contours uh, and three branches and two knots. Knots of circuit is a point in these uh, branches are connecting one to another. Any knot contains none less of three branches. Three branches of circuit will be connecting one to another in the one knot of the circuit. Okay, and uh, remember, uh, circuits will be branched and unbranched is important. And next part of our lesson, and we can see on next picture is a example of knots. This knots contains four branches, like we see here, and like we see here from the next picture. This picture is contains resistance, and one branch of circuit is as simple. This branch consists one resistance, if as simple, and this branch contains the resistor and voltage on this resistor, and also this branch contains 2 points, point A and point B. From point A to point B flows the current, and we will designate the potential, electrical potential in point on the point A, and designate is as it as uh, letter phi, Greek letter phi, with subscript A is a potential on the point A. This potential equals potential in the point B, uh, potential in the point B as remark is lower than potential on the point A, because we are calculating the potentials as from point A to point B, and we should designate as letter phi with subscript B is potential in the point B, plus, and add potential fall of voltage UAB, and another part current multiply resistance, as we know from Ohm's law, as simple, and it is equals potential point B plus voltage or falling of voltage between points A and B, and is fall of voltage or is I multiplied R, and UAB it is. Okay, and what we can get from this equation, we can get as phi A minus phi B, and next get equation as UAB. It is UAB. Okay, phi A minus phi B equals UB, and it is following is hence as UAB divided by R equals I. I is a current, as we know from our theory. Okay, and we have gotten an Ohm's law for this resistance of the segment of any circuit, of any circuit. Okay, we have gotten the Ohm's law for the segment of any circuit for any resistance, and is circuit for direct current, of course. And next part of our lesson, for a segment which consists from not simple resistance and add to resistance the electromotive source, which designated with letter E is as next picture. With on the lower picture is a segment of the circuit consists two parts. First part is a resistance. Second part is an electrical motive force source, idealized, of course, which doesn't consist insert resistance. Idealized electrical motive force source, and 3 points. This segment contains point A, point B, and the point C. Okay, this is a branch of circuit. Of course, it is a branch of circuit in which flows current designated letter I is a current with arrow, with I is a current flowing through this branch. And similar like higher, we designating potential on the point A like as Greek phi with subscript A. Subscript A, it designating equals similar like this example, phi B plus I R plus IR, and potential this electrical motive source is targeting to C, to point C. It means that potential in the point C is growing, is rising with by or is rising by this electrical motive source and occurred higher than, maybe higher, maybe not, to potential in the point A, and hence we if we can express potential on the point A through potential from the point B, we must subs sub this subtract this electrical motive source from this potential on the point B. We must subtract this electrical motive source strength. Okay, B, not B. It is arrow, sorry. This here must be C. Doesn't be, and subtract here E from the potential in the on the point C. Okay, okay, and hence from here expression that U AB equals I multiplied R minus E, or electrical motive source, electrical field strength, or this arrow is designating rising electrical motive sources, electrical field rising, or rising of rising a potential from point B to point C, and we must subtract the electrical motive source, this electrical motive source from our potential, and here we have gotten voltage between points A and C. We have gotten the voltage between 2 points A and C, voltage, and hence this is next point, hence from this expression and Ohm's law from this segment of the circuit. Is following as current I equals UAC plus E, voltage plus electrical motive source divided by R, is a law of Ohm's law we have gotten from our expressions. Okay, and for next segment, as we see in this on this segment contains electrical motive source targeting again targeting vice versa this arrow layout as we see on the picture. Okay, and Ohm's law seems like UAC minus, or we must add this electrical motive sources electrical field strength, and hence here we must subtract for Ohm's law for this segment electrical motive sources electrical field strength and divide by R here. Or next part, on the next part we can see this picture. On this picture we are measuring voltage on the segment, and voltage equals, as we know, UAC equals on this segment I R minus E, and we can measure the voltage on this segment, and Ohm's law for different layout vice versa or targeting or straight, we can write the Ohm's law for this circuit as current equals flow of the current equals voltage AC plus or minus E, electrical motive sources electrical field strength plus or minus, and divide by resistance of the resistors contents on this segment of the circuit. Okay, if you understand or don't understand, write in the comments below, please. And what we can hear from my person about electricity from me, please write in the comments below. And sorry for my withdrawals of my speeches, and goodbye. Bye bye.